Come to this diary. So today I am going to prepare with you bean sprout fried rice. Moon beans are high rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, antioxidant and amino acid. So I thought today I am making with fried rice with bean sprout. So we see the ingredient first. Here I got 300 gram soaked and cooked Basmati rice. Brown Basmati I am using today. 200 gram moon bean sprout, wash and clean. 1 cup red cabbage, 2 eggs, 1 large onion slices, pandon leaves, curry leaves, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon butter, olive oil, salt and pepper. So today I am preparing this fried rice for the 3 people. You can change the quantities as your choice, how many people at your home. So heat the pan and add about 1 tablespoon olive oil and then add butter, once all heat, we'll add onion, salt onion few seconds. So then add garlic paste, ginger paste, salt, curry leaves and pandon leaves. Today I am using lot of curry leaves. So mix it all till combine and let it cook about 2-3 minutes till getting slightly brown. Now I am adding bean sprout. Mix all these slowly and we must cook now our bean sprout about 4 minutes till getting slightly brown. Turn the flame medium and keep mixing. So you can see after 3-4 minutes, now I am adding cabbage. Then mix again. This time we will season our mixture, adding salt and pepper. You can add salt and pepper according to your taste. So now I am going to add eggs. After adding eggs, again mix all till our eggs cook about 2 minutes. Slowly combine all into the eggs. So now I am going to adding our final ingredient, brown rice. After adding rice, turn the flame high and mix all fast. You can see now I mix all. Our bean sprout fried rice is now ready to be served. So here we have our bean sprout fried rice. I garnish with your spring onions. Actually you can have it with fried egg, or you can add into this fried rice chicken, whatever you like. You can make this recipe and you can enjoy with your family, especially your kids will definitely love this recipe. So please try this. This is very quick and tasty and very healthy. So please subscribe my channel. Don't forget, like and share with your friends. We'll meet with new healthy recipe.